Welcome to the Baboom Baboom podcast, your go-to source for expert tips on car stereo installation, vehicle wiring, and all things wiring related. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we've got the advice to help you power up your ride. Get ready to crank up the volume on your knowledge and make your next wiring project a success.
Ever crank up your favorite song in the car and think, man, this could be so much better with a little audio boost? Well, today, we're taking a deep dive into budget-friendly car audio upgrades.
All right.
And more specifically, something called CCA wire.
All right.
Baboom, baboom, the car audio gurus.
Yeah.
They just dropped this article about it. And let me tell you, it's got me kind of curious.
Interesting, yeah. What'd they have to say?
So they're saying that this stuff, this CCA wire, it's kind of a game changer for car audio, especially if you're on a budget. Have you heard about this stuff?
Yeah, I've been keeping my eye on it.
Okay.
It's pretty cool, actually.
Okay, so for those of us who are, not electrical engineers,
Right.
what is CCA wire?
Well, think of it like this.
Okay.
It's like a hybrid.
Okay.
It stands for Copper Clad Aluminum.
Okay.
So you're getting that awesome conductivity of copper, which is key for transmitting those sweet, sweet sound signals.
Oh,
But it's wrapped around a core of aluminum.
interesting.
And that right there, that's the secret sauce.
Okay.
That's what keeps things light and affordable.
So you get kind of the best of both worlds.
Yeah, exactly. And, that's what makes this such a game changer, especially for car audio.
Yeah.
When you're working on a budget.
Yeah, because, pure copper,
Yeah.
that gets pricey.
That's your top shelf stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the article did mention this whole weight thing.
Yeah.
CCA wire is supposed to be lighter.
It is, yeah.
Why is that such a big deal for car audio? Is it really that noticeable?
Oh, it can be? Think of it like this. A lighter car, even down to the wiring, it means better fuel efficiency.
Oh, okay.
Quicker acceleration, potentially.
Yeah.
Not only are you getting potentially better sound, but your car might actually be a little peppier, too.
It's like a stealth performance upgrade.
There you
I
go.
like it. But, okay, let's be real for a second.
Yeah.
When it comes to wiring, we often hear about pure copper being the gold standard.
Yeah, right.
How does...
Between, top-tier performance and keeping things affordable. And like you said, CCA, it's not quite pure copper,
Right.
but it's more than enough for a solid audio upgrade, I'd say, in most cars.
Okay, that's good to know, because the article used this phrase, reliable performance.
Yeah.
When they were talking about CCA, what does that actually mean for someone who's listening in their car?
Well, it means you're getting a noticeable boost in sound quality over your stock wiring
Okay.
without, breaking the bank.
Right.
You'll hear the difference for sure, especially if you're really into your music,
Yeah, so we're not talking about sacrificing a ton of audio quality just to save a few bucks.
Not at all. Plus, there's another benefit to CCA that the article kind of touched on.
Okay, what's that?
Flexibility?
Flexibility. I'm picturing bending spoons of my mind here.
Right.
I don't really associate that with electrical wiring.
Right, but think about it this way. Think about the actual installation process, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You're installing new wiring in your car.
Right.
It's a tight space to work in.
Oh, yeah.
CCA, because it's more flexible than pure copper, it just makes that whole process smoother.
Oh, I see.
Less cursing, more rocking out once you're done.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Now, the article did emphasize that even with, great wire, this CCA wire,
Right.
there are other things to keep in mind
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
for a really awesome car audio setup.
For sure.
What are some things that our listeners should be thinking about?
Well, it's like building a dream team,
Okay.
You need the right players in every position. You can have CCA as your star player, but
Yeah,
you still need a solid supporting cast.
I love that analogy.
Mhm.
So who else is on this audio dream team?
Well, first up, you got to think about the gauge of the wire.
Hold on, gauge. Can we translate that for our listeners who aren't, electrical engineers?
Absolutely, yeah. Imagine those water pipes again. Yeah. Gauge, that refers to the width of the pipe, right?
Okay.
So a wider pipe, which would be a lower gauge number,
Okay.
means less resistance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So more of that water, in this case electricity, can flow through.
I see.
So for car audio, that translates to choosing a thicker wire if your amp is really power hungry,
Okay.
because you don't want to run into what's called a voltage drop.
A voltage drop, that sounds bad.
Need top-quality electrical wire? Baboom's got you covered. Get your 6-pack today. Each combo comes in 6 different colors and a total of 600 feet of wire. Perfect for any project, and you won't find a better price in the industry. Head over to baboom.com now to snag yours. That's baboom.com.
Yeah, it's not ideal.
What happens if that happens?
Well, think of it like trying to power a stadium concert with a flashlight battery.
Okay.
Your system's not going to have the juice it needs,
Right.
and that can lead to distorted sound, especially at higher volumes.
Oh, I see.
It's just not going to sound good.
So no skimping on the wire thickness.
That's right, yeah.
What else? What else can sabotage a good car audio upgrade? So many things to think about.
It is. There's a lot that goes into it, honestly.
So we've got the right gauge wire for our power needs. We're not skimping there. What else?
Connection.
Connection.
Yeah, like think of them as the handshakes between different parts of your system.
Okay.
You want those handshakes to be firm. You want them to be secure.
Right, right.
Because loose or exposed wires, they're going to be a recipe for signal loss.
Signal loss, is that kind of like when your phone call drops because you're in a dead zone?
Exactly, yeah. It's a good analogy. Except instead of losing your phone call, you're losing those crisp highs and those, those punchy bass lines.
Gotcha.
So investing in good cables, good connectors, that's super crucial.
Okay, so it's not just the CCA wire itself, but also making sure everything is connected properly.
You got it, yeah.
Are there any other audio villains that people should be aware of?
Let me think. One more thing, grounding.
Grounding.
Yeah, it's often overlooked, but super important for a clean audio signal.
Okay, grounding, that sounds kind of intense.
Oh, is that bad?
Are we talking digging a trench in my trunk intense?
No. It's all about making sure your system has a solid electrical reference point. Think of it like, you wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, right?
Right.
Proper grounding, it's all about minimizing noise from your car's electrical system.
Okay.
So you just hear your music, not a symphony of buzzing and humming.
That makes sense. Now, the article did mention something about the audio wires and the power cables. They don't always play nice together.
Yeah, you want to keep those separated as much as possible during the installation, for sure.
Okay, how come?
Because those power cables, they can create what's called electromagnetic interference.
Okay.
And that can mess with your audio signals.
Oh, so it's like trying to have a quiet conversation next to a jackhammer.
Pretty much, yeah.
Not ideal.
Not ideal at all.
Well, this has been really eye-opening. So for our listeners out there who are now maybe inspired to give their car audio a boost, what's the key takeaway?
Don't underestimate the power of small strategic upgrades.
Okay.
Start with good quality wire, like we talked about, CCA. Then think about, what else can I improve within my budget?
Okay.
Maybe it's speakers, maybe it's some sound dampening material.
Right.
Every little bit adds up.
I like that, yeah. It's not always about, spending a fortune.
Exactly.
It's about spending smart.
There you go.
Well, this has been awesome.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Always love chatting audio with you.
Anytime.
And for our listeners out there, thanks for tuning in to this deep dive on car audio upgrades.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Until next time, happy listening.
Need top-quality electrical wire? Baboom's got you covered. Get your 6-pack today. Each combo comes in 6 different colors and a total of 600 feet of wire. Perfect for any project, and you won't find a better price in the industry. Head over to baboom.com now to snag yours. That's baboom.com.